Good morning, everyone. Yes, once again I came here. Yesterday we learned the lesson, isn't it, children? The cows and the lion. One page is done, and next page we did now. Yes, we'll go for page number 7. Page number 7. See, children, first para we already done, isn't now? We'll go for next. Yes, you forgot or you're there. Yes, you love the story now? Yes, we'll continue now. Yes, very good now. See, children, after that, oh, I have always remembered you and even ordered a better meadow for you. Remember means what, children? Remembered means thinking. Isn't it, children? Remembered means thinking. Yes. Oh, sir, we shall be very thankful to you. The brown cow bowed and said gratefully. See, children, oh, sir, we shall be very thankful to you. The brown cow bowed and said. The brown cow was telling for the lion, we are very thankful to you and we are so grateful. And we are so grateful. The behavior of the brown cow shocked his friends, who were standing within earshot. See, the brown cow shocked his friends who were standing with earshot. They grieved at the stupidly and feared that he might get deserved. See, children, they grieved. They are thinking that why the brown cow is standing next to the lion. They whispered to each other, every forest has a great, good meadow. How can the brown cow believe what the lion says? See, they are thinking, the three cows are thinking why the cow was going and mingling with the lion, and why they are shocking to see that. With each passing day, the brown cow got closer to the lion. The black cow and the white cow kept advising their friends against befriendly the lion. But it turned and deaf ear too. See, children, with passing day means day by day, the brown cow mingling with the lion. And then they are observing and advising. See, the three cows are advising to a friend. Why are you going and mingling with the lion? It is too problem. Don't mingle with that. Then to the brown cow is not listening. One day, the lion said to the brown cow, I was wondering the color of her bodies is dark and then of the white cow is light. See, children, one day the lion said to the brown cow, I was wondering that color of the bodies is dark. The wonder of the color is dark and the white cow is light. The white cow is light. The light color is the opposite of dark color. You know, it would be good for us. It would be good for us. If I eat away the white cow, there will be no difference amongst us. The lion is telling, there will be no difference among us any longer and we can live together happily. What do you say? The lion is telling the brown cow, if you wander it longer, you will be very happily. The brown cow agreed. See, children, the brown cow agreed. He took the black cow away to a distance and kept us busy in some idle talk, creating a situation for a lion to attack the white cow. Left along, the white cow was killed. See, children, so sorry now. See here. The brown cow agreed to took the black cow. The brown cow agreed to look the black cow and then distance and kept us busy in some idle talk, creating a situation for a lion and attack the white cow. When you see the picture, you can understand clearly. Other 2 days Another 2 days passed. The lion became hungry. See once again. Another 2 days passed. The lion became hungry. He was lying under a tree while the brown cow moved around. See children, when he was seeing that he was lying under a tree while brown cow was moved around. Brown cow was moving that side. The lion was lying under the tree. Around with the black cow grazing on. The lion called the brown cow. The lion called the brown cow. Yes, sir. Look at the color of our bodies is same and color black. Does not go with that of ours. It will be good if I eat away the black cow, then we will all be the same color. So foolish the lion is. See children. The lion is talking with the body, the black cow, and it will be good for to eat away the black cow. Then we will be for same colors. What you will say? The brown cow agreed and slowly moved away from the see, the brown cow agreed. The brown cow is telling, yes sir, I will agree, and slowly moved away from the black cow. Okay, and tomorrow we'll continue this. Understood children? Today this page you understand now. Tomorrow we'll go for next page. Understood? And see the hard words in this and tell me the hard words now. See the hard words in this and tell me the hard words, and write the hard words in your notebook. Write the hard words in your notebook. See, first one, better. First one, better. Second one, very. Second one, very. Third one, shock. Third one, shock. Fourth one, meadow. Fourth one, meadow. Fifth one, passing. Fifth one, passing. Sixth one, advising. Sixth one, advising. Seventh one, turned. Seventh one, turn. T-U-R-N-E-D, turn. Eighth one, opposite. Eighth one, opposite. Ninth one, agreed. Ninth one, agreed. And last one, hungry. Last one is hungry. Now tell me the words now. Better, very, shocked, meadow, passing, advising, third, opposite, agree, hungry. Okay, see the words and write 2 times in your notebook. And tomorrow I'll come and meet with you all. Okay? Yes, thank you.